Hi parents! Do you know that the Let's Play Dominoes series grows along with your child? We recommend dominoes for players from ages 2 to 102 and adjust the level of difficulty to your child's skills. Younger players can begin by matching 2 dominoes and assembling increasingly longer lines of dominoes. Let's Play Dominoes is a fun way to practice skills, learn new words, and spend time together. It is also a great opportunity to teach your child how to cope with the emotions that arise during gameplay. Let's Play Color Dominoes can be played in 4 different ways by connecting colors, animals, colors and animals, and pips. As you play, remember a few simple tips for making playtime an educational adventure. Make sure your child is listening and looking at whatever you are talking about. Speak slowly and clearly, and use your index finger to point to each picture. Playtime should first and foremost be fun. If your child is tired or discouraged, continue your game another day. Let's get right into our first game idea. Draw the dominoes randomly or ask your child to distribute 7 to each player. Place the remaining dominoes in a pile. You can also distribute them equally. The youngest player starts the game by placing a domino in the center. The next players take turns adding dominoes that fit previously played elements. If a player does not have a matching domino, they should select one from the pool. The person who plays all of their dominoes or has the fewest dominoes left wins. If your domino is empty, a blank, it can be connected to any other domino. At the beginning of the game, you can select certain dominoes from the pile and give them to your child. You can match by color, for example, a yellow butterfly with a yellow crocodile, or animal, an orange cat to a gray cat. Decide together how you want to connect the dominoes. This game develops perceptiveness, logical thinking, and the ability to follow rules and cope with the emotions. Let's try something different. Work together to create the longest possible line of dominoes and use it like a board game. Agree on which end to start from and which is the finish line. Prepare some game pieces and dice. Take turns rolling the dice. Count the pips and move your pieces along the row of dominoes. If any player lands on a blank domino, they must return to the start. This game is a blast for counting, moving your body, and talking. Now, let's help your little one see things better, remember them longer, and focus like a champ. Lay out the dominoes. Ask your child to listen carefully and then find each piece you name. For example, the pink butterfly and black cat, the green crocodile and yellow dog, the purple butterfly and orange bird. Want to make it a challenge? For older kids, you can time the game with a stopwatch or timer to see who can do it the fastest. Switch roles. To make the game more fun and test your child, you can select the wrong domino. You can also try a similar game. Lay out the dominoes in a single layer. Point out how the animals are laid out in position to one another. Use the prepositions on, under, in front of, behind. Play an animal finding game by asking each other questions that include each animal's location. For example, what animal is under the white ladybug and above the yellow dog? Find a paper cup or box. Indicate where each piece is located. In the cup, under the cup, in front of the cup. Thanks to that game, your kid learns to pay close attention, find their way around, and use cool words like on top and underneath to describe where things are. Finally, it's time for classic dominoes. Ask your child to give 7 dominoes to each player. You can do it together. Leave the rest in a pile. The youngest player starts unless you have agreed otherwise. The next players take turns adding dominoes that have the same number of pips. If a player does not have a matching domino, he or she should randomly select one from the pool. The person who plays all of their dominoes or has the fewest dominoes left wins. Make your child a game referee, responsible for checking to make sure each piece is played properly and counting how many dominoes each player has left to determine the winner. This game develops the ability to count and follow rules and perceptiveness. That will be all. Thanks for watching. Try one of our fun ideas or come up with your own awesome games. You know your child best. Bye!